It is gradually happening, and it will eventually happen. From basic to secondary education. This particular policy is heavily loaded with a number of issues contained inside. First of all, the major issue is that all out-of-school children must go back to school. And also another important aspect of it is the integration of the advisory system. If you compare all this, when you compute it, it is free and compulsory, then we have a number of obstacles. Because statistics has shown that more children will be in school, therefore we need more classrooms. Already, many of our schools are dilapidated over a period of years. We must put them in place. The issue of instructional materials, we have to provide that. And you note that Kano State has the highest number of public schools in the country. And by implication, we have the highest number of school children in the country. Therefore, this particular aspect of instructional materials, luckily enough, Zenith Bank has come to our aid by providing the first batch of 250,000 notebooks, which will be distributed to the Almajiri integration system. And where they are heading to is about 1 million pieces. So this is just the first batch. So we have to thank this bank for coming to our aid, and I believe, and I also request all other banks, not only those who are dealing with parastatals or ministry in Kano State, but also those who are operating in Kano State. Because even if government doesn't have account with you, at least government provides security, which is absolutely necessary for banking operation. And I know people will believe Kano, as of today, is the safest city in Nigeria. Therefore, this safety needs to be complemented. And one of the issues that we require complement is the issue of corporate social responsibility. And in the education sector, by assisting us with instructional materials or rehabilitation of our schools, or providing some vehicles that will use for quality assurance, and so many other things. So Zenith Bank, you are really partner in progress. You are most welcome. We are very happy to issue you with a letter of appreciation. And when we come to honor some important people and organizations in Kano State, I assure you Zenith Bank will be in the upper list. Thank you.